Hello everybody, welcome to another problem from IIT JEE 2023 Advanced Physics Paper 1. So this is section 2 and it's question number 7, and here it is. And this question is multiple choice question, and you have to check whether any of them are right, and you only mark the one that's correct. If you include any of the ones that are wrong, then you get a negative marking. All right, so this is a rather a standard problem, and it's testing your knowledge of electromagnetic waves. This sometimes called kinematics of electromagnetic waves. So you know that electromagnetic waves have electric and magnetic field. So in this one, from the phase, you can tell which way the wave is going. So let's call it this whole thing sine phi, which is x, y, z, t. So this is the phase of the wave, and when the phase is constant, it tells you at constant phase where it's going. So you can set phase x, y, z, t equal to some constant, and then if you hit d with it, which is here happens to be kind of k is omega t minus kz equals to phi 0 here, and if hit with the differential d, omega is constant, dt minus k dz equal to 0. So dz over dt is which way the wave is going. Dz over dt is equals to omega over k, which is greater than 0. So if this was the xy plane and this is the z axis, then the wave is going in that direction. And I think you know is electric field is a vector, so we can write electric field is equal to some constant times sine phi. This is phi. So and E0 is simply here 30 to x hat plus y hat. So if this was the x-axis and this is the y-axis, then this is 2 and this is 1. So electric field is pointed in that direction, and it's oscillating back and forth that direction. Magnetic field will be, so if this is the direction which is z hat direction is the wave, then magnetic field is going to be almost like this, and the relation between this and the direction of the wave is, and the speed of the wave, so the speed is v. We can't assume it's in vacuum. Okay, in this problem actually it's going through a dielectric medium, so it's not in a vacuum. You can write down from Maxwell's equations, B0 is equal to this direction of the wave. So here is a z hat cross E0 over V, and this comes from, if you remember Maxwell's equations, del cross E equals minus dB dt. So if you put E as this whole thing, which is zt here, and do a del cross of that, and B, which is this is zt ddt of that, and cancel out common factor after derivative, etc., you will be able to relate to V. So what is V? V is this thing. So V, just V itself is omega over k. So the question here is asking us to actually get Bx, By. So for that I need V, and I need to work this out. So this will be working out from this vector into here is just 30 over V. Z hat cross X hat gives you Y hat, 2Y hat. Z hat cross Y hat gives you minus X hat. So this is B0X and this is B0Y, but I need V. So let's call it V. V is from the given information, I would be able to take this over this, 5 times 10 to the power 14 over 10 to the power 7 over 3. So this becomes 15 times 10 to the power 7, which is 1.5 times 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So this is like a speed of light over 2. So this just becomes 30, let's call it, keep it like that, 30 over 15 is 2 times 10 to the power minus 7 2y hat minus x hat. So B0x equals to minus 2 times 10 to the power minus 7 Tesla, and B0y is 4 times 10 to the minus 7 Tesla. So let's see, definitely A is correct, you know, because this is the same. This is the same as that, so we don't, the face part we don't need to check at all. So I get A is correct and B is not correct. How about C? The wave is polarized in x present 30 degrees with respect to the x-axis. So this direction is called polarization angle. This is the polarization direction. So this direction is polarization direction, and it's saying what is that angle. This side is 2 and this side is 1. So tangent theta is 1 over 2. That's not 30 degrees. So this is 30 degrees. So that makes C is not correct. How about this one? Refracting medium is 2. Yeah, so how do we already know the speed of the wave. So V is 1.5 times 10 to the power 8 meter per second, and C is 3 times 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Their ratio is N is C over V. V is in any medium, V in any medium is C over N. That gives me that, and that's 2. And so that says 2 is correct, yeah. So the D is correct because of D refractive index of the medium is 2. So what do we get? We got A correct, B not correct, C not correct, D correct. Okay, that does it for question 7. I'll record question 8 in another video. So I'll see you in another video. Bye.